Yellow. Today's video is about getting your chest up before you stand up. See, that chest is high, so I'm not doing super slow-mos. I'm just showing you over and over again. These are all separate waves, but I rolled the clip twice. High chest, eyes looking, legs come under. All kinds of variations of wave and pop-up, they all share one thing in common. Chest comes up half a second before my legs swing under. This can be held for longer in a mushier wave, or it can be done more quickly on a steeper wave. So here, this wave has an angle. My chest comes up, so that was more quick because that wave had a steeper face. Looking at this one, looking down the line, this one has more time. Get my chest up, pull the legs under. Go into a high, calm stance with my arms at the side. Okay, looking right here, looking right. Legs are over the tail, high chest. This one has more time. High chest, legs come under. I adopt a low stance with no rail grab. Going backside again, chest up, legs come under. This is a huge thing that I'm not seeing people do when they're surfing. You need to get the chest way up to make the clearance. Here's a steeper wave. Make this slight angle, chest comes up, legs go under. You need that one little push up of the chest. You'll notice from a lot of your videos, you see your head go down towards the board, and that can create a thudding kind of pop-up, and you basically just lose sight of the wave. You lose this smoothness and this lightness that creates the speed and flow in your surfing. Riding a 7.6 here, just also so everybody can see. This is the Orange Club 7.6. All right, here again, fading takeoff, chest up, legs come under. The fast pop-up is premised by the space made with the chest. Chest up, legs come under. Eyes look down the line, press down and through the board. Steeper wave, chest way up. Those fins locked in. I almost purled, but just had enough speed to climb that little foam section, little wedge like I talk about in this newsletter or post over on Subkit you can check out. That one was faster, but the chest still came up first. Opted for the rail grab there. Okay, check this one out. Legs are over the tail. Wedge that tail into the wave by pressing my chest up, keeping the legs over the tail. Eyes look, press, legs over the tail. Butt is down, super low stance. Not bending at my waist. Chest up, legs come under, butt is down, not bending at my waist. Looking down the line, steeper wave. So I have an angle on this one. Chest goes up, legs come under. This is a wedge. Point it at the wedge, ride over the wedge, keep the arms calm. Doing turns with our legs, not with our arms. Notice, you can always notice that too, how quiet my arms are. High chest, legs come under, arms stay quiet, body stays quiet. Move back over the tail to turn. That's it. Get to it.